Yo, howdy, everybody. Sam Goodman of the Hop Nerd LLC. Join me and the amazing, the one, the only Steven Scott on October 8th and 9th in beautiful Sin City, Las Vegas, for a 2-day workshop on hop and operational learning. Hop and operational learning in Las Vegas. It's going to be an absolutely hoot of a time. To register or to get more information, send an email to steve@hopimprovement.com or cruise over to www.thehopnerd.com/event. 2 days, October 8th and 9th, a Tuesday and a Wednesday. Early enough in the week to if you need to get back to work, you can. If you want to stretch it into a long weekend, you can do that too. The venue is about 6 minutes from the airport. Now, more importantly, the venue is about 12 to 14 minutes from the Strip. Snacks, lunch, and coffee will be provided. I am absolutely thrilled to get to be there with you and with Steve. We're going to have an amazing time. And you know me, you know I'm here for the hang. So if you're coming, if you're going to be there, send me an email, thehopnerd@gmail.com. I want to plan some after-hour stuff. Let's make it happen. One more time, hop and operational learning in Las Vegas, October 8th and 9th. Send an email to steve@hopimprovement.com to get your seat now. And once more, you can also head over to thehopnerd.com/event and you can learn more. I look forward to seeing everybody there. We can't stop here. It's bad country.